Are you tired all the time? Even when you sleep enough, you wake up thinking, I slept 8 hours, so why do I still feel exhausted? The truth is, fatigue is not always about how much you sleep. Today, I will share why your energy might be low and how you can start feeling alive again. Hi, I am Alvaro Barrios, family nurse practitioner, functional medicine academy certified practitioner, and founder of Restore Your Health Functional Medicine.
Are you ready to bring wellness from within? This is Restore Your Health Functional Medicine, focused on healing the root cause of illness.
Most people think fatigue comes only from lack of sleep, but here is the thing. You can sleep 7 to 9 hours and still feel exhausted if your body is out of balance. Sleep is just one piece of the puzzle. True energy comes from how well your cells function, how balanced your hormones are, and how nourished your body is. Here are some common root causes of chronic tiredness. Number one, poor gut health. Your gut is like your second brain. When it is inflamed or imbalanced, your body cannot absorb nutrients, leaving you feeling weak and tired. Number two, nutrient deficiencies. Low levels of vitamins like B12, magnesium, or iron can crash your energy levels. Number three, hormone imbalances. Stress hormones like cortisol or thyroid problems can make you feel like you're running on empty. Number four, chronic stress. When your body is in flight or fight mode all the time, you burn out even if you rest. Number five, blood sugar swings. Eating too much sugar or refined carbs can cause energy crashes. Number six, hidden infections or toxins. Sometimes your immune system is fighting battles you don't even know about. So, feeling tired is not just about needing more sleep, it is about finding out why your body is running low on energy. Here is how we can help. How can we start fixing the problem? Eat real, nutrient rich foods like vegetables, lean proteins, and healthy fats. Balance your blood sugar by eating smaller, balanced meals. Check your stress levels. Deep breathing, walking outside, or prayer can help calm your nervous system. Stay hydrated. Even mild dehydration can make you tired. Get tested. Advanced labs can find things like nutrient deficiencies, hormone imbalances, or gut problems that regular checkups often miss. When you find the root cause, you can get your energy back naturally. If you have been feeling tired for months and nothing seems to work, remember it is not all in your head and it is not just about sleep. Your body is asking for deeper healing. If you want to learn more, follow me here for weekly tips on how to restore your energy, gut health, and overall wellness. Hit that like button, subscribe, and share this with someone who is always tired but doesn't know why. Together, we can find the root cause and restore your health. Please follow us on social media as well. Thank you for watching. God bless you.
Join us next time. Until then, stay well, stay empowered. Visit us at restoreyourhealthfm.com to start your journey to better health.